In this tutorial, I'll show you what would happen if we separate and combine a material into 3 parts by using 3 color ramp nodes. This example creates very interesting and unique results when we connect different texture coordinate nodes into a mapping node. What is also interesting is the fact that the colors don't seem to be affected by the colors selected on the color ramp nodes. I have only used red, green and blue for the color ramp nodes, and certain colors seem to appear out of nowhere. Here are the full nodes. Instead of color ramp nodes, we can also use diffuse or emission nodes. To be honest with you, I don't know why we're getting such results when we use this combination of nodes. I'll show you what happens when we change the RGB colors of 3 color ramp nodes to something else. I'm thinking of creating a swirling wire-based mesh that wraps around another mesh, and an emission node hidden for one of the branches. I think that would create an incredible looking 3D art. I'll show you what would happen if I remove the blue color from the nodes. We're looking at the blue surface, but there's no blue in the nodes. Please experiment with the node to get the best looking result for your future projects. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.